I'll be showing you some core strengthening exercises. So let's get started.
We're going to start off the routine by doing some sit-ups. Bend your legs and lay down. Activate your core muscles to help you get back up, and then go down. If you can't stabilize your legs, then ask someone to hold them down for you while you complete your sit-ups. Complete 20 repetitions. Then lift your legs up into a tabletop position. Then, while your legs are in that position, start to do sit-ups, sitting up all the way up to your legs, then twisting to the left, right, and going back down. Repeat this exercise 10 times. Extend your legs out in front of you and lift them and your body off the floor. Then start to move them up and down in a swimming motion. Then start to cross them across each other. Then start moving them out and in, connecting with each other. Do each variation for 10 seconds. Then go onto your stomach and repeat the same exercises as you did on your back. Then lift both your legs and body up into a V position simultaneously and try to keep your balance while activating your core. And hold that position. Then go into your stomach and lift both your legs and arms up simultaneously and hold that position for another 30 seconds. Then we're going to do some backups. Keep your legs glued on the ground as you reach up your hands and lift up your body up, back as far as possible. Complete 10 repetitions of the exercise before lifting your body up and holding that position. Next, we are going to do some crunches, which is the same as sit-ups, except you engage your core and lift up your body, trying to keep your hips flat on the floor. Repeat this 20 times. Then lay down flat on your back and lift up one of your legs to form a 90-degree angle with your legs. Then lift up your body towards that leg and then back down. Repeat this 10 times on each leg. Then extend both of your legs vertically upwards and start bringing your hands towards your legs. Repeat this 10 times. Last of all, complete a bicycle exercise for 30 seconds as shown.